Hey cozy friends, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to share with you my planner ecosystem that I am going to be taking with me. So sit back and relax and enjoy yourself. All right, first we have the pocket planner. So this is going to be my wellness planner. So it'll be pretty much all things wellness will go in here. So when I try any skincare product, any new hair care, any new vitamins, I will annotate that in here on the calendar. And then I'll track the days that I'm taking it and how I feel. And then if I'm gonna switch up or keep using the vitamins. So for instance, because I have some stuff in here written already, but I also have my travel in here too, my travel dates. So like for this, those beekeeper packets that came in the Estate box, I just cut out one of the empty packages after I took it and just put it in here, showing that I started on 25th of December. And tonight I'm going to fill out this packing list that can go in here. And this is going to be just all the things that I'm gonna take. So I'm just gonna sit down tonight when it's quiet and just write out all the things that I'm going to pack and take with me. I don't plan on taking a lot of stuff because I'm gonna be there for 5 weeks and I know I'm gonna be shopping. So I don't need to take a lot of stuff. I need to pack light. That's the plan, allegedly. Next, I have my Habanishi and my cloth and paper traveler's notebook in here. And I have on the front page like all my travel, hotel, confirmation numbers, all that good stuff in there. And I don't have anything in this one yet. So I'll figure out what I'm gonna use this one for. But what I like to do is keep my boarding pass in here. So that is what I am going to use this part for, is to slide my boarding pass off in here. But I like to keep everything together because you never know. And I like to have all my confirmation numbers because you never know. This is the notebook that I think I'm the most excited about because this is going to be where I keep all of my YouTube information in. So I thought that this book was really, really good for that because you can pretty much do all kinds of stuff in here. You can lay out, your goals if you have an idea about something. Like for instance, me, I want to do a skin care series, but the first thing I have to do is I have a dermatologist and I've already had them kind of classify my skin as normal, but I want to go and get like a facial and then see what they say about my skin before I start talking, my skincare. And I bought some skincare items. I bought some like in the medium price range and then some high price ranges just to try them. So I want to be able to, talk about those products and, what all's in them, what they can do if you wanted to try them. But they're all going to be for whatever my skin type is, which right now it's normal. So I can brainstorm and brain dump all of that, how I want to lay that series out, what month I want to lay it out. Do I want to do all cleansers, 1 week, all moisturizers 1 week, all anti-aging. So I can just kind of brain dump in this notebook. And then it has, of course, your calendar layout, which I love. And then it has plenty of space for plenty of writing. So sometimes you just want to jot down stuff real quick, plenty of space for that. And then it just has a lot of space, which I just love. You know, it has your weekly, you know, everything laid out for your weekly if you want to plan things by weekly. And it has the grid and the lines, which I absolutely love. So I think this is like the perfect layout for me. So I really, really love this notebook. And I want to say this came, I can't remember what box it came in. It was either, I don't know, maybe November's box, but I love this notebook so much because I think it's gonna do me right. All right, next up we have my A5 agenda, which I've changed probably 3 times since y'all seen it last. I know it's been 3 times. So this one will just be my fold out calendar and my grocery meal planner, because I'm probably gonna fill this out before I leave because I am stopping immediately at Trader Joe's when I land. So I need to probably fill that out of the things that I want to eat and stuff and want to cook in my room. And this has where you can just, like, if you want to do a challenge, you know, I don't know if I'm going to do some type of, I don't know, workout challenge or, you know, eating more greens challenge. I don't know, but I can record that in here if I do a challenge at all. And then I just love the grid paper. I love writing on the grid paper. It just feels good. And then these papers right here, they can just be like to-do lists, and I can just tear them out. That's all that's in here. You know, as I get papers and stuff, I can just put it off in here if I want to. If not, I don't have to. But that's all that's in this one. And last but definitely not least is the HP Classic. She has entered the building and I adore her. Everybody told me that I was gonna love the HP Classic. And yeah, I love the HP Classic. I think she is beautiful. She's a little on the big side, which I need because I write big. So she's perfect in my eyes. But I want to try all the different sizes that Cloth and Paper has. I want to try every size. Like I have the half letter too. This one's not going with me. This one is staying at the house. But this is the half letter. And, you know, I like this too. I do. But the HP Classic is doing its thing. So let me make sure. I've already written in here. I've already written like all my school things in here that I'm going to need, like my schedule and all that stuff. So I don't want to be showing all of that. But I do have, the pages are filled up. Like, yeah, they're full. So the stickers are, you know, stickers are on there. So yes, I have been busy plugging and playing for sure. So yes, I love the HP Classic. I think she is beautiful. She lays nice and flat. You can add as many stickers as you want. She's very flexible, and you know, you're able to add things to her. It's the perfect planner, I think. And I'm an A5 girly. I love me an A5, but this one right here, it gives you more flexibility to be able to do things. The A5, because of the rings in it, you are limited to how much you can add and the things that you can do. So I choose flexibility. And then I have this pen holder on here, which is magnetic. And I just have that on there, which I will probably take this off because I won't just be using this pen for this. So I'll probably just put this in my pen purse. So yeah, that's it. This is the last planner. And like I said, she has lots and lots and lots of space. I love her. I think she's beautiful. I actually bought a cover for her, one of those covers that Cloth and Paper came out with on the 31st of December. So I am hoping and praying that I will get it before I leave. I don't know, because it hasn't shipped yet. So I don't know. We'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. But that's all I have. I will do a video on the pens and stickers that I'm going to take. If I could, I'd take them all, but I'm not going to use them all. So I'm trying to be smart. So I will show you the pens and the stickers that I'm going to take. Thanks for watching. See ya.